Cutting shapes, a real show. Crayons bright, the colors flow. Stay inside, escape the snow. Glitter, glue, and paper glow. Cutting shapes, a real show. Crayons bright, the colors flow. Stay inside, escape the snow. Scissors snip, confetti flies. Sparkling stars in kids' eyes. Stringing up those bright supplies. Crafting magic, no disguise. Happy New Year comes about. Joy and laughter all around. With each cut and cheer we found. Crafting dreams that do astound. Paintbrush dips in shades so bold. Fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds. New Year magic we behold. Stickers stick with hearts so true. Glitter trails like morning dew. Crafting love for me and you. New beginnings, fresh and new. Piping us twist shapes divine. Beats that dazzle, threads entwine. Crafting moments pure and fine. New Year promises shine. Happy New Year comes about. Joy and laughter all around. With each cut and cheer we found. Crafting dreams that do astound. Paintbrush dips and shades so bold. Fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds. New Year magic we behold. Working dreamings fresh and new. Paintbrush dips and shades so bold. Fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds. New Year magic